Safepath Products offers every solution for door transitions for multifamily housing construction. Whether it be new construction or modernization projects, Safepath has the door threshold solution for you. Specializing in remediation and compliance with Federal Fair Housing Act litigation, Safepath offers various specific product solutions for primary and secondary door entrances. Retrofit construction requires primary and secondary door transition modifications. Typically, interior and primary door transitions cannot exceed 1/2 inch in height. Transition modifications are EZEmade compliant with the EZEdge ramp. Simply check for the existing threshold height. This is the only green product that makes compliance affordable. Next, you simply remove the existing carpet. Then use the EZEdge as a template and position for height. Now you simply cut the under laminate padding. After removal, remember this will add a 1/4 inch in height for your transition selection. Next, you simply remove the tack strip. Adhere the transition with either adhesive or our peel and stick double back tape. Place the EZEdge transition next to the carpet pad and simply replace the existing carpet as it was before. A few staples and this transition modification is complete. In only a matter of minutes, this compliance problem is solved. For exposed exterior and interior applications, please see our presentation on the Elegant Transitions by Safepath. To learn more about Safepath products, please visit www.safepathproducts.com.